The Boxer. The Boxer, also known as Deutscher Boxer, is a medium to large dog breed of German origin, part of the family of Molossus, which came from Asia on the occasion of eastern migrations in the 4th and 5th century. The breed was created as a defense dog with the aim of finding the original breed of the Old English Bulldog and the now extinct German Bulldog, a breed of powerful dogs specially bred for the practice of bull baiting and fights that became too aggressive. Boxers are very active dogs and need daily exercise. Living in the city with a boxer therefore means taking it out every day for at least 2 hours in a park large enough to run. They like to exercise and come back covered in mud from their walks in nature. Fortunately, their short coat is easy to wash. This energetic and powerful dog can be disobedient if not educated from an early age. Origin and history. The Boxer is the result of a cross operated in 1888 by Friedrich Roberts, Errold Koenig, and Rudolf Hoppner in order to find the original breed more stable. They used a Germanic male Bullenbeisser, also known as a German Bulldog, and a female brindled English Bulldog named Alts Flora, which was imported from France by George Alt to Munich. The German Bulldog breed was more lively and was used for both dog fights and dog-bull confrontations. It is therefore a bulldog more valiant and agile than the one known today. A fawn and white male born from that mating, named Lechner's Box, was later mated with its mother, that gave birth to Alts Flora II and Alts Schecken. In 1895, Schecken, protruded by a white bulldog, registered as Dr. Tonnisson's Tom to produce Mühlbauer's Floki, the first boxer recorded in the Book of German Origins in 1904. The current boxer, gentle and faithful, has long been used to hunt and slaughter bears, but also in bull baiting, a sport widely practiced in England. Its muscle structure and strength combined with its agility make it a perfect fighting dog. Different selections have made the current boxer soft, especially with children, and faithful, but while keeping its fighting strength. Temperament. Boxer is a confident, athletic, and energetic defense dog. The breed is outgoing, loyal, and in return feels a great need for affection and attention. It is also described as intelligent, but not always obedient, unless it is convinced of the merits of the order given. This dog has a very kind relationship with children. It is patient, loving, and protective with kids. For this reason, it is highly valued by families looking for both a guard and a companion dog that poses no risk to the little ones. Appearance. Boxer is a medium to large-sized dog with a short-haired and smooth coat which lies tight to the body. It has a muscular body and an athletic appearance, neither heavy nor light. Its muzzle and nose are wide and its nostrils wide open. The breed can be fawn or brindle in color, with a maximum of 1/3 white. The musculature is dry, strongly developed, and a visible and marked protruding, without excess fat. The paces are lively, full of nobility and power. The male boxers measure about 61 centimeters. The FCI standard specifies the size of the males must be between 57 and 63 centimeters. And for the females between 53 and 59 centimeters, with the size measured at the withers. The dog should not seem heavy or clumsy, nor should it appear light. White boxers. Boxers having white markings covering more than 1/3 of their coat, usually called white boxers, are not rare to find. In fact, about 25% of all boxers are born white. They are dark beige or brindle, with a white markings that are too wide or misplaced compared to what the breed standards define. In the past, breeders often euthanized white puppies at birth, due to the fact it was not the breed standard. The Boxer, having been created with the aim of becoming a utility dog, was used by the police and the army. It could not have two large white marks not to be spotted at night. As the number of fans of white boxers seemed to be increasing, the board of German Boxer Club would study the idea of reintroducing the color white in the standard, especially because there was the risk of a foundation of the White Boxer Club will be constituted without joining the official club. On February 27th and 28th, 2011, at the meeting of representatives in Kirchheim, it was decided to propose at next year's General Assembly the admission of whites and quails as the third official coat of the boxers. For this, it became necessary to request a modification of the FCI standard of the breed. Health and lifespan. The British Kennel Club, considered to be the first cynological society in the world, reports a boxer life expectancy is over 10 years. However, a study conducted by another research group on more than 700 dogs found a lower life expectancy of 9 years. The breed faces major challenges, including cancer and heart disease, that affects the health and lifespan of boxers. Indeed, boxers can be affected by various diseases. Here are some of the frequent pathologies and illnesses of the boxers. Heart disease. Out of 1,283 boxers examined in a large screening for congenital heart disease, 165 dogs, that's 13%, were found to be affected by heart disease, with aortic or pulmonary stenosis the most frequent. The study also demonstrated a predisposition of males to stenosis, aortic and pulmonary. Hypothyroidism. The boxer is one of the breeds most affected by autoimmune diseases affecting the thyroid. According to the University of Michigan, boxers are ranked 5th amongst breeds for those conditions that frequently progress to hyperthyroidism, where the thyroid doesn't create and release enough thyroid hormone in the bloodstream. The data collected seems to indicate that this is an inherited genetic pathology in the breed, although the condition also affects other breeds. Lifelong treatment with synthetic thyroid hormone may allow the dog to live a normal life. Bone and joint disorders. Spondylosis, a form of degenerative arthritis of the spine, tends to affect aging boxers. Like the Doberman and German Shepherd, Boxer is particularly affected by this form of osteoarthritis, which develops in the spine, mainly in the lumbar and thoracic vertebrae. Small bony growths between the vertebrae, osteophytes, causes stiffness and hampers the dog's mobility. Cancers. The dog can also fall victim to cancer. According to a recent health survey by UK Kennel Club, cancer is responsible for 38.5% of boxer deaths. The breed is particularly disposed to mast cell tumors, a cancer of the immune system, and skin cancer. White boxers are more likely to suffer from sunburn and skin cancer than boxers of other colors. Deafness. It is often said that the white boxers are deaf, but this claim is controversial due to the fact that studies find that there is no more deafness in white boxers than in other boxers of brindled and fawn color. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Now it's your turn. What dog breed do you have or would like us to talk about? Please let us know. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to help us establish our presence on YouTube.